Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the latest in product insights. Today, we're looking at the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus Rotisserie, Dehydrator, and Electric Warming Plate. A mouthful, isn't it? But with this combination of features, this appliance promises to bring versatility and ease to your kitchen. Let's get into it and see if it lives up to the hype. The Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus is a truly all-in-one appliance designed for those who want quick, convenient, and healthier cooking. Whether you want to air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, or roast, this one unit handles it all. With 17 preset cooking options, it promises to take the guesswork out of preparing your favorite meals. No preheating required, thanks to its rapid air heating system that ensures faster cooking times and evenly crispy results every time. The kicker here is the promise of healthier cooking, using 98% less oil compared to traditional fryers. But does it live up to that? Setting up the Chefman is incredibly straightforward. The capacitive touch control screen makes it intuitive to select your cooking method, and with the preset options, you don't need to be a seasoned chef to get started. Whether you're prepping a quick meal or throwing together something more elaborate, this appliance seems to be made for all levels of cooking skill. In my personal experience, the rapid air heating system cooks food faster than expected, particularly for items like chicken wings, fries, and even a quick roast. But how does it actually perform in real-world use? I put the air fryer to the test first, making some crispy fries without adding a drop of oil. The results were impressive, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. The rotisserie was a highlight as well. It delivered even cooking with no dry spots, and the chicken came out juicy with a perfectly golden skin. I also tested the dehydrator setting, making dried fruits, which turned out surprisingly well for a countertop appliance. However, I did notice that when using multiple functions in one go, there's a slight delay between switching settings. It's not a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind if you're in a rush. Now let's talk about the electric warming plate. This is where the Chefman really stands apart from similar products. The heating system is highly energy efficient, with a silicone-based design that keeps your plates warm without using excessive power. It works beautifully to keep dishes at the perfect temperature for parties, and with its sleek, tempered glass surface, cleaning is a breeze. The cooling touch handles make it safe for kids and adults alike, and the indicator light is a simple but thoughtful touch that lets you know when the surface is safe to touch. As for the pros and cons, the Chefman offers plenty of positives. It's incredibly versatile, which means you can eliminate the need for multiple appliances, saving space and simplifying your cooking routine. The fact that it uses 98% less oil is a major selling point for health-conscious users, while the large surface area of the warming plate makes it ideal for parties or family gatherings. Additionally, the ease of use with the touch control screen is impressive, making it beginner-friendly. On the flip side, while the air fryer, rotisserie, and dehydrator all work well, I did find the performance of the warming plate to be a bit inconsistent when dealing with larger quantities of food. It's great for keeping individual dishes warm, but if you're trying to maintain a large spread, you may need to rotate the items for even heat distribution. When it comes to value for money, the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus is priced fairly for what it offers. There are certainly more basic air fryers on the market, but for those looking to invest in a multifunctional device that can air fry, rotisserie, dehydrate, and warm, the Chefman stands out in its category. Compared to other multifunctional air fryers, like the Ninja or Instant Pot models, Chefman offers similar performance, but with added value in the form of the warming plate, making it a versatile option for parties and large meals. When comparing the Chefman to direct competitors, such as the Ninja Foodie or Instant Vortex Plus, Chefman has its own edge with the added warming plate function. However, some alternatives offer slightly more advanced air frying technology, such as better crisping or more precise temperature controls. While these competitors may perform better in certain cooking methods, Chefman's broader functionality is a key selling point. The price also tends to be more competitive, giving it an advantage for consumers looking for multiple functions in one. In terms of build quality, Chefman has made a durable, sturdy appliance with a sleek design that can easily blend into your kitchen counter. The materials used, especially for the air fryer and rotisserie functions, feel robust, and there's no sense of fragility. The electric warming plate, however, is a standout in terms of design. Its slim, sleek build makes it a stylish addition to any countertop, and with the tempered glass surface, it's clear Chefman has focused on quality in the details. Chefman's customer support, based on my experience, has been responsive and helpful. While I haven't needed extensive support, I've seen positive feedback online about their ability to handle issues quickly. It's clear that Chefman cares about customer satisfaction, and that's a huge plus when it comes to appliance reliability. As far as software or firmware updates go, there aren't any needed for this product. The functionality is straightforward and doesn't rely on updates to work at its best, which makes this a very low-maintenance option. To wrap things up, the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus Rotisserie, Dehydrator, and Electric Warming Plate is a solid all-in-one appliance for those who want to streamline their cooking process. It offers versatility, ease of use, and health-conscious features that can cater to a variety of needs. It's not perfect. It has some small quirks, especially in the warming plate's performance with larger quantities, but for the price, it's a fantastic option for anyone looking to cook quickly, healthily, and efficiently. If you're someone who loves to host, meal prep, or just wants a device that can handle more than just air frying, this could be the one for you. Thanks for watching. The link to check out the product can be found in the comments box. If you already own the Chefman, drop a comment with your thoughts, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Until next time, keep cooking with style.